Okay friends, it's time to start replacing our parking light assembly here. Now you don't typically have to have the headlamp assembly out, I just do so I can show you a couple things along the way. So like I said, you don't need to remove it. With that said, the first thing that I want to do is try to get underneath this area right here. I'm going to use my bar and gently pry. I have it wrapped with something so I'm not going to damage my bumper. Under here, you're going to be able to find two Phillips head screws. We need to remove the pair. Now I'm just going to use my Phillips head screwdriver, put it right on the screw, and we'll remove it. So there's one of the screws. We'll do the same to the other. Now once you have both the screws removed, you can continue on by pulling this away. The reason why I have the headlamp out is because I want to show you a couple areas. Looking down in here, you're going to be able to find that there's an area that's supposed to push in, and then there's another area over here that's also supposed to push in. Ours is broken off, but this piece right here is going to pop right out. So let's go ahead and grab onto this, give it a little wiggle, and remove it from the truck. With that out of there, let's carefully pull this away. Now we can start removing our wiring. It's a good idea to inspect your bulbs. If it looks like they need to be changed, well, now's the time to do it. This one as well. There it is, friends. Okay, now it's going to be time to install our brand new parking lamp assembly. Looking at the back, you're going to be able to find that you have the two areas for the pitons, one right there, one over here, and of course we're going to have two areas for bulbs. Just go ahead and take the covers off of those, and then let's get ready for our install. Let's start putting in those bulbs. Line it up, turn it clockwise to lock it in. Make sure they're both secure. Now we're going to line up the little pitons with their holes. So you've got one right here, and then of course the other one right over there. We'll line everything up, give it a nice loving bonk. To put in the screw, it's going to be easiest starting with a magnet just to hold the screw as we put it in. We'll get it started in the hole, and then of course we'll snug it up with our Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, we'll start this one in. Now we'll move over to this one, do the same, and then we'll snug them up. Okay, now that both of them are started, let's snug them up. Okay, give it a nice wiggle just to ensure it's completely secured.